Good morning from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom. I'm out here in Phoenix, Arizona, and this is the daily DoorDash journey through the desert. Currently, we're on our way to go pick up a small order from McDonald's, but I wanted to share with you the experience that we had yesterday. Yesterday was a fantastic Oasis moment. We went to Avatar. We went to a restaurant to go have some good food. All the senses were firing. We had, taste, touch, smell, sight, vision. Everything was firing. It was a phenomenal day. It was a great experience. And yes, I want more of those moments. I want those times where I'm not in the desert, where I'm able to be around loved ones and spend those quality moments. But unfortunately, I am in the desert. I am out here in this financial desert of my own fruition. I'm the one who placed us here with the other family members, and it's time to right our ship. And as a result, if we want more of those moments, then we need to embark in this journey through the desert to try and maximize our potential earnings and apply it correctly so that we can get out of debt. The challenge is those Oasis moments become mirages for us as we're in the desert. When we're out here for 18 hours and doing the grind, and we feel like I'm just not feeling it in the market today. I'm not thinking that I'm going to make the potential that I can make so that I can apply it towards this debt. Should I really be out here? You start asking the questions, is this all really worth it? And that's what the mirage moment does. It keeps on wanting to draw you back to those memories that you hold so dear to your heart, that you want to go back to as frequently as possible. So stay focused while you're in the desert. Apply those earnings correctly towards your debt. Eliminate the habits that you had in the past that put you into that situation in the first place, so that you can have more of those Oasis moments. Not the mirage, the actual event itself. So with that, I'm getting ready to pull in to go pick up this order. I'm going to wish you all well. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Do not be tempted by the mirage. Focus rather on the dream to reach that goal of the Oasis moment or moments in the future, so that you can do what you want, when you want, with whom you want. But that takes focus. And remember, you're not out here in the desert by yourself. You've got others, many others, who are in the same boat as you. And so with that, I'm going to wish you well, and let's go, go, go.